We did it.
We finally got 19 subscribers.
Sorry, I got carried away there for a second.
But anyway,
For this special occasion, I have prepared for you a montage of the number 19.
Enjoy.
well, I hope you all enjoyed that montage.
And now it's time for that part of the video where I complain about my subscribers. According to my calculations, I have a little over 2,000 viewers and only 5.
I do the math right quite fast.
With a very low number.
Well,
Viewers are not subscribed.
Subscribe.
So I made it to 19.
and that means that the next big number
It's 51.
Once we reach that, I'll probably release another one of these stupid videos,
Until then,
Keep an eye out.
for more content,
entries, and possibly some
original content,
See you all later. Don't forget to
subscribe.
My Lord Santa.
Have you eliminated Halloween?
But that's Gary's job.
Fools.